I have realized that visiting the towns around the Black Forest turned out to be the best. I have plenty of memorable times in most of my excursion in a number of fairy tale landscape of beautiful small towns, including Gengenbach. Welcome to the town of Gengenbach. I don't say this lightly, but this town is one of my favorite. This small town is a unique combination of history, culture, and vibrant local atmosphere. The town offers beautiful 18th century townscapes crowned with towering medieval spires, a cobblestone town square, a little chapel on the hill overlooking the town, and surrounded with rows of neatly planted vineyards. There are numerous attractions to see in and around the town itself, and what makes it good is that the sites could be covered in a day. So if you are in Germany and are not sure if Gengenbach should be included in your next itinerary, keep watching because in this video, I have put together some of the interesting things to see in Gengenbach. The town is easy to reach by train. The best way to explore and enjoy the historic town, reputed as one of the most picturesque in Baden-Württemberg, is on foot. The town itself is a maze of cobblestone lanes lined with medieval half-timbered houses, especially at the curved back alley known as Ingelgasse, a neighborhood of old timbered frame houses adorned with simple street lamps attached to the house and other ornaments. The market square is home to numerous owner-operated retail stores, cafes, and restaurants. At the heart of the market square is the 16th century fountain. You can discover the wide regional variety, local specialties, and personalized services too. The town has a rich history, and this is particularly evident in its architecture and many historic buildings. As I strolled through the town, I came across beautiful old buildings such as medieval gates, which continue to function as the main routes into town, as well as offering excellent vantage points for photos. Another highlight is the Catholic Church of Saint Marien. A prominent tourist attraction, is known for its stunning facade and intricate interior that reflect the artistry of its time. The church's design harmoniously blends Gothic and Baroque elements, featuring soaring arches and delicate stained glass windows that bathe the interior in colorful light, creating an inviting space for worship and contemplation. It features intricate interior decorations and is a site for historical interest. The church is not only a place of worship, but also an architectural gem that is definitely worth a visit. The beautiful natural surroundings of Gengenbach with expansive views invite you to walk. Its abundance of surrounding mountains is particularly remarkable. Numerous parks and streams enliven the town. Before I went home, I make sure to hike to the Jakobskapelle, a historic little chapel above the town. The 20-minute climb through the local vineyards was rewarding enough, but even more breathtaking than the ascent itself was the gorgeous view at the top. Stretching to the horizon is a magnificent landscape of vineyards, overlooking at the Kinzig Valley all the way to the French wine-producing region of Alsace. You will have the chance to witness the unobstructed panorama of Gengenbach under the backdrop of surrounding hills, overlooking the huge windmills and lovingly cultivated vineyards. As I sat on the bench, I also gained a better appreciation of the town's numerous medieval spires. Witnessing such stunning cultural landscapes, history, and traditions makes me realize that the world has really plenty to offer, from the simple pleasures of nature to various outstanding work of art. What a lovely little town Gengenbach is. This place is a real treat for body and soul in a unique natural setting between the vineyards and the Black Forests. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!